In today's video guys, we're going to talk about Dreams Quest. So this NFT game is been up in Binance already since 2 days ago. It has been reported that it has made a debut on Binance NFT Marketplace and its teaser video release. And before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys from this favorite play to earn games that we have. And let's just jump right into it. Okay, so into their official website, which is dreams.quest. This is what you are currently seeing. Your quest awaits you. You can join the quest via clicking this link into the new tab, and also you can look for the overview of the Dreams Quest. So this serves like a documentation. So if you are a beginner, you want to participate into this project, into this game, it's very recommended to go over into this part over here. So this is the introduction. So this is the lore of Dreams Quest. So the inhabitants, known as the guardians of the realms, live in the peace and harmony, and as their civilizations advance and their technology evolve, they found a way to traverse the universe, which of course quickly generated conflict between the guardians. So there is a conflict over here. And if you are asking me what is the Dreams Quest, it is a RPG and a TCG game. So TCG stands for Trading Card Game, using NFTs as in-game cards. Okay, so it is a play-to-earn NFT game, and also it is free to play. Okay, so it's very important to know these two different types of mechanisms over here. So you can be able to earn via playing, and also it is free to play. So you can also rent your game deck or card to earn even more. So there's a single play or guild. You can also explore, battle, or even run a marketplace. So the choice is entirely yours. So it's an upcoming decentralized play to earn RPG game using dynamic NFTs. You'll be able to create your own hero and explore the vibrant lands that make up the realm of dreams, to discover exciting arenas, collecting crafting materials, and even compete in limited time events and story-rich quests. Okay, so the journey starts with two free intro decks full of random cards based on which land the character comes from. So like what I've mentioned, it is a trading card game. There's also a dynamic NFTs which you can also be able to check here. So there are three main ways that cause a change in the NFTs gameplay. The first one is the outcomes of every game lead to cards being updated over time. Okay, the second part is the tournament play. So the users can create card packs that can also rent out to other players, to their guild, or to even to professional players who can stream and earn from their gameplay. So this also support these players who are spreading the game, like promoting the game via streaming into their platforms, because you will be able to earn from their gameplays as well. The other outcomes is special scenarios to make cards even more powerful. So within each game battle, there are ever-changing unknown factors powered by Chainlink. So Chainlink is a different cryptocurrency. It is also in the coin market cap, so you will be able to look forward here. Just type in and you'll be able to see Chainlink is on the rank 17 of the most, or the top coins in the world rather. Okay, so there will also be an in-game quest that will allow players to discover new places and find valuable loot, which they can trade, upgrade, or even sell to earn even more. So the dynamic elements can be turned off and on in-game based on the scenario. So what are the quests that you'll be able to expect here? Okay, so it comes with different types of difficulties. It can be done solo, or it could be done as a party, which is also another word of part of a group. And it can vary from massive chains that are story driven to the repeatable, allowing each player to participate in purely combat focused card games. So this is very important that there should be two types of quests, like maybe the first one is story driven, one time repeatedly quest, and also the repeatable, so that the players can be able to repeat the quest so that they can move forward into the higher levels wherein they can be able to complete much more harder quests, and also earn more rewards. Okay, because that's pretty much the analogy. If you are playing an RPG, the harder the quest is, the bigger the rewards that you will be able to get, whether it is for the item, it is for the improvement, or it is for in terms of money. Okay, so this is the type of quest that you will be able to look for. I guess they are very prepared on sharing it to us. First one is the story quest, which is very important because this is more like the lore. The second part is the the adventure quest. The third part is exploration quest. So you will be able to find this one via exploring as well, just by deriving from its word. The other one is profession, the companion, and the Guardians and Dragons quest. Okay, so you will be able to use your cards to influence in-game battles or to rally the players and troops on your side. Okay, so now we were going to talk about the play to earn mechanism into the game. So this is the reason why I will cover everything inside this documentation, so that you won't be able to take your time, or maybe if you're going to look forward here, you're just going to look for some additional information. So how you will be able to earn in Dreams Quest. Okay, so they've presented a number of ways that players can earn within the Dream Quest. And the game is a combination of an RPG style game where they can participate in events and tournaments along with strategic game battles player versus player using card decks. Okay, so player will be able to forge new items if they all have the necessary resources to do that. And for you to be able to earn, you need to enter to tournaments, which you will be able to enable to pay a small entry fee. And for those people who will win, the tournament will be taking the prize. Okay, so with other ways to win once the tournament begins, they're also discussing a leaderboard, so players will have an opportunity to face the dragon at the end of each season or phase, which of course, if they're going to join the guilds and they defeated the dragon, they will earn a reward. Okay, so this is one of the methods for you to be able to earn. The other one is via card rental. So let's say you have this really big stack of cards. Okay, instead of just keeping it, okay, Dreams Quest made it possible for everyone to earn money just by owning the cards via rentals. Okay, so you will be able to rent it to others so that they will be able to earn more. And of course, the smart contracts will ensure that it's already safe. Your cards will be safe, and you will be able to see it here that they have only delegated the cards for a period of time, and the owner can always claim them back after a specific amount of time. So you won't be able to lose your money or lose your cards if you got scammed, because smart contract will make the work for you. Okay, so players can rent a deck to someone else in their guild, earning tokens for helping them while they go into the battle to try to win as well. And if they win, the owner will earn something extra as well. So this is more like percentage wise, which is pretty much good into my ears, because it is a win-win condition. If you do not want to play and you have an NFTs, you can always rent it to other people, and also you are retaining the NFTs, the value of NFTs, and also you will be able to earn passive income from this. Okay, so I think this pretty much stands for lands. Okay, this pretty much replace the lands functionality wherein you will be able to earn money for those people who will use your land, which into their part, it is NFT card rentals, and also you will be able to claim it back after a specific amount of time. Okay, so you will be able to earn from battles. Again, I've explained before that it is a free-to-play, play-to-earn game, and when you are winning, you will be able to earn money from the battles. Okay, so this is the tokenomics that we need to learn about Dreams Quest. So there are more than 4 billion dreams that are available into the market, and it is combination of the minted over time plus pre-minted dreams. So 2 billion dreams have been minted over time, which is almost 50%, 50.375% to be exact, of the total token supply. So it is available for mining to players on the platform. So if you have an NFTs, you will be able to get dreams. And also the other part is you will be able to mint it throughout the gameplay. So there are also a vesting schedule. So if you are not familiar with vesting, this is where they are going to withdraw their money from the investors. So 5% is allocated from seed investors, 11% from the private investors, 1.5% from the strategic investors, and 0.625 of the total supply is from the public sale, and 50% of the total supply is allotted into the marketing, development, partners, and even the reserve. Okay, so payment advisors, 14.5% is allotted for them, and also market making and the liquidity, which is 1.50%. Okay, so I'm just really not sure if I think this is pretty much good because 50% is allotted into the gameplay, and there's only really small amount of dreams that are allotted into the liquidity. I'm not an expert in tokenomics or token economics, but I think this is pretty much decent into my eyes, and also they've already worked it out for them. So because this is very important, okay, tokenomics will determine like how well the game goes, and having a good tokenomics will also ensure the future of the game as well. Okay, so this is the vesting schedules which I've already tackled here, and let's now talk about the roadmap. So this is the roadmap of Dreams Quest. This is the official, so they do already have a roadmap up to 2023. So they do even have a season 1 and also a season 2. So they are very what do you call that? They are very not hidden. I'm not sure if hidden is the right word. They are not spoiling that much on what's going to happen to the roadmap, but this is pretty much says everything. Okay, so the first game card is already launched. The first NFT or the first battle NFT RPG will actually come this quarter 2. I'm not sure if this is quarter 2. And let's now go forward back again into their what they call that, into their website. Okay, so this is the teaser that I want to show it to you so that you will be able to grasp, and you are also going to judge for yourself if you like this or not. Wow, so that's the teaser of Dreams Quest. So like what we saw in documentation, it is play to earn and free to play dynamic NFTs. So they will be impacted by unknown factors. So it is dynamic, so it is just not fixed. Okay, so you will be able to join, you can join their Discord group. So let me just open my Discord right away, and also let me just open this real quick. Okay, open your Discord and then join them. Okay, so that you'll be able to ask any questions about them, about any difficulties that you are having, if you are having some what they call that, some NFTs already, you'll be able to uh, to ask it directly here. So this is the official um, Discord of Dreams Quest, and as you can see here, there are more than 50,000 members inside the platform. So let's verify their number. Okay, so they're asking for a verification, so let's do this. Okay, it doesn't matter. So wait for a moment, please. I'm going to complete it so that I will be able to see. I will be able to show it to you, the Discord server of Dreams Quest. Okay. 648-547. Alright, so I'm now verified. So it's very important to verify your number first, because it proves that you are a legit person that are joining into them. So there are more than 50,000 members. There are more than 27 moderators online, and there's a lot of like servers which you can join if you have any questions or you want to meet with some people that are also belonging to their country. You will also find it back there. Okay, so this is the team behind Dreams Quest. So there are also docs. So this is very important that you know the people behind Dreams Quest. First one is Polly Gould, which is the co-founder and creative director, which is also ex-head of marketing of Holochain. Leslie Chan, Daniel Chan is the project manager, which is from DeFi Singapore. So they are composed with really big names over here, and you'll be able to see that they are not joking here. Okay, there are a lot of members that are belong. They are also experts from their field. Also, they have managers, digital artists, and other stuff as well. So they are also partnered with Polygon and also Chainlink, like what I've mentioned. And these are some of the investors that are also partnered with them. And if you have any questions, you can always direct into this portion over here. So you'll be able to buy these NFTs into the future as well. So make sure to be updated into their Discord, and also check their website every single time so that you'll be able to be updated into their project as well. So that is it with this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.